Hi guys. This is D. Igorotech. Today, I will show you how to change the network adapter priority order. This is applicable to Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. If you have multiple network adapters, you can change the priority based on your preference. Like in my case. I'd been using my Wi-Fi adapter all along, and when I plugged in my LAN, it automatically switched to LAN. However, I prefer to use the Wi-Fi instead of the LAN. I'll show you easy way on how to do it. Let's begin. Go to Start. Search Network Connections. Click View Network Connections. Here, you can view all the network adapters. If you don't see the network connections, then go to Start. Search for ncpa.cpl, then hit Enter. You can see my Wi-Fi network adapter and also my LAN, which is the Ethernet 5. Let's first check the current network priorities. To do this, right-click on Start. Choose Windows Terminal Admin, or run command prompt as administrator. Enter the command get-net IP interface, hit Enter. Again, you can see my Ethernet 5 is my LAN. We will focus on the IPv4 only. Notice Ethernet 5, which is the LAN, the metric is 25. And my Wi-Fi metric is currently set to 50. The LAN was the priority because it has lower metric, which is 25, and Wi-Fi is 50. When referring to metric, lower metric will be the priority or lower metric runs first. Now, let's configure the Wi-Fi to be the primary. In your case, choose the network adapter you want to be the primary. Right-click on it. Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties. Go to Advanced. Uncheck the automatic metric. Now, input the metric. We must enter a metric lower than the LAN adapter, which is 25. We will use 15. Click OK. Click OK again. Once I click Close, notice my network connection. It will automatically switch to Wi-Fi. I'm now connected to the Wi-Fi, not the LAN. To verify, we will check the metric again. Let's go back to the command prompt. Hit up arrow for previous command. Hit Enter. You can now see my Wi-Fi metric is 15, it's lower than the LAN adapter, which is 25. If you prefer the LAN to be the primary, then set the metric lower than 15. Or, revert the Wi-Fi configuration. Right-click on it, Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, then Properties. Go to Advanced. Enable the automatic metric again. This will revert the metric to 50. Click OK, click OK again. Click Close. Notice that it will automatically switch to LAN adapter again. Let's go back to the command prompt. Hit up arrow, then hit Enter. Notice that the Wi-Fi metric revert to 50. It's higher than the LAN adapter, so the LAN became the priority. Well, that's all for today's demonstration, and I really hope you liked this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.